little fox.
Tagging monarchs. Cody blinked in surprise.
There's a woman talking to a butterfly in our garden.
Mom laughed. It's Jan, our new neighbor. She studies butterflies, and I knew you would be interested in meeting her. She's tagging some monarchs.
What?
Cody was fascinated by butterflies, but he had never heard of tagging them. He hurried outside. Jan smiled at him. In one hand, she held a large orange and black butterfly.
You must be Cody. Your mom told me you planted this garden.
Yeah.
Cody said.
Last year, my class raised monarch butterflies as a project. We watched them go from eggs to caterpillars to cocoons to butterflies. We also learned how they migrate south every fall and north every spring. So I made a butterfly garden full of nectar, flowers, and milkweed to attract monarchs.
That's a great way to help butterflies,
Jan said.
Milkweed is the only plant they can lay their eggs on and the only food newly hatched caterpillars can eat.
She looked down and murmured a few words to the butterfly.
I always wish them safe travels,
She explained.
to help them migrate safely to Mexico.
Cody thought about the butterfly's long journey as he watched it flutter away. In autumn, monarch butterflies fly south. It takes them a little more than a month to reach the Mexico border. When this generation arrives at their winter spots, they rest and save energy. In spring, they lay eggs before they die. The newborn generation then migrates north. But unlike monarchs in fall, spring butterflies take several generations to make the whole trip north. Each generation only lives for a few weeks. Then, the next fall, the cycle repeats.
My mother said you were tagging butterflies. What does that mean?
Cody asked.
Each fall, volunteers tag monarchs to track their migration south.
Jan pulled a sheet of stickers and a clipboard from her bag.
These stickers are the tags.
They were tiny and round, each one printed with a different code.
I record the code here.
She showed him the chart on the clipboard. Cody saw columns for recording the sticker code, date, location, and other information about the butterfly.
It's too bad monarchs can't stay here all year long.
Cody said.
They can't survive cold winters, and there's not enough food,
Jan said.
Luckily for them, forests in central Mexico offer a perfect environment for them to spend winter. And they'll be back next spring to enjoy more milkweed.
She smiled.
Maybe someday you can visit Mexico to see the monarch's winter spots.
That would be awesome.
Cody had seen pictures of trees completely covered with butterflies.
What do the scientists do with the information from the tags?
Scientists visit the monarch's winter spots and search for tagged butterflies. Then the information is entered into a computer database,
Jan said.
All the data helps to track migration patterns and understand more about monarchs. The program started in the 1930s. Now thousands of people in North America volunteer every fall.
Can I try to tag one?
Cody asked. Jan handed him her net. Cody watched another butterfly drop toward a flower. He swished the net through the air, trapping the insect inside. He cautiously reached into the net and grasped the butterfly's wings with his fingers.
This is a male.
Cody said. He had noticed the tiny black spots in the center of the hind wings. Females didn't have the same markings. Jan added the information to the chart. Then she passed a sticker to Cody and pointed to the underside of one of the butterfly's wings.
The sticker should be placed here where it won't interfere with flying.
Cody pressed the sticker firmly into place.
Finished!
Great job!
Jan said.
Later in the year, I can look online and see if any of the butterflies I tagged were spotted. I'll let you know if this one is found.
Cody started to open his fingers, then hesitated.
Good luck!
He whispered before releasing the monarch. It flew away, ready to begin its long journey south.
Little fox.